Good morning, guys. As you can see, I got my hair done last night and it's looking, I'm like on the fence about it because I feel like it's a little long hair, but from the front on, I'm feeling it. Everyone says I look very Zambian apparently, so I'll take it. Wait, Zambian? Zanzibarian. But I'll take it. Anyway, so the day has just begun. We are about to check out of our hotel in damn it, where are we? Anyway, we're about to check out of our hotel and head down to another area. Most of the people on the group trip have left now, so it's just me, Sed, and John. Neo is going home today, so he won't be in the vlog anymore. But we're about to head down to the other side of the island because we're staying in some really cool accommodations. I'm really excited to show you, and we're gonna go to the famous rock and shoot content. There's a lot of content today, so it's gonna be a content heavy day. Got this my first dress on. I'm ready for the content, honeys.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it.
So we are back at the hotel. Well, Sed's hotel, not mine. And to have lunch because we tried to go out on the water, but it was just so rough. We literally couldn't shoot anything, so we're gonna have to try again tomorrow. But we are back now. We're gonna have some lunch and shoot some shots and, you know, just have a fun day.
Paralyzed state of mind. Still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Try to find the other side while the sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Love has a fate. The dead is piling up, it seems. No guarantee. We'll see if it's meant to be. I beg of you, please not today. The sun's finally out. I just wanna play. I feel it in the ether.
Good morning, guys. So I have just got to Sed and John's hotel from mine, and we're about to go out on the boats to shoot because yesterday it was just so rough. We didn't get literally any content. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, so we just did the most and took like a gazillion pictures, but now our guide Mango has taken us out to see some starfish.
Won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet.
Okay, so we're back at the hotel and I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour before we hit the road to Stone Town. Don't watch the fact that I'm in the same, oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Don't watch the fact that I'm in the same old outfit because your sis needed pictures in this outfit because it's cute.
Or more. I think the rooms are like...
So this is the main bedroom. You have a little T-bar, seats here, and then you have the master bed. I love the fact that the room has these huge lights on the walls. Then you have a wardrobe here, and then you go through to the bathroom. It's a double bathroom, so you have two big mirrors and sinks, and then you have this huge rainfall shower. This is definitely meant to be a shower for two people. This is very much like giving me vacation vibes. And then of course you have a toilet, and you also have these beautiful robes. They come in different African prints. This is just one of them, and each room normally has two. You have your towels and everything, your sink, and you always have these decanted waters so that you can have fresh water for brushing your teeth and for drinking in the... Okay, so that's it for the room tour, guys, because we're actually about to leave and head down to Stone Town. Hey guys, so we just got to our next hotel, which is called Emerson. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of different vibes going on from what we just came from. This is very different from the beach hotel we were just at. It's much more traditional, more Moroccan-y, Arab. We can definitely see the Arab influence here, and the room is absolutely gorgeous. It's just up my street because I like something that has a bit vibey. I have a little balcony in my room. I've already done tons of videos, so I'm about to show you what this place looks like.
Yeah, girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah, this is schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you, yeah.
So we're up on the roof now of our hotel. We're about to have some dinner. So the dinner, if you eat at the hotel, is I think it's 7-course set menu. The first course is, what is this? It's a set menu if you eat on the dinner, like Courtesy have said. This is our first course. It's a 5-course menu. It's in like an oyster. What is this, guys? What did you say it was? A fish?
Adina spinach leaf.
This is this Adina spinach leaf.
Coconut relish.
It's quite hard. And then and this is the
coconut relish.
This is coconut relish.
And bongo fruit ceviche.
And this is a bongo fruit ceviche. This spinach thing, it's like hard, like a chip. So we have calamari king roll, some pickled carrots, and some beetroot for round 2. Prawns on a little pineapple, it's a little skewer. So we have pickle, coconut crusted salmon, and a salad right there. Good morning, guys. So it is another lovely day in Zanzibar and we're about to have breakfast on the balcony. I came down to John and Zed's room to have breakfast, so we're just waiting for them to bring it down now. But there are so many beautiful rooms in this place. Each room is like different colors and things like that. So you see, this is the purple room. It's called Violetta. But I just love the vibes here. But let's have some brekkie.
Yeah.
So here is our breakfast spread. We've got some omelets, just normal omelets. We've all got a plate of fruit like this. And then did Zed get egg whites? And then these are a traditional food here, but I cannot remember the name for the life of me, but I will find out. So the boys are taking all their pictures still. I'm too hungry. So we are just heading down to the second Emerson to do a little tour. There's some really nice rooms in there and we want to take some pictures and we just want to see the overall aesthetic of the place. So we're going to head there now and take some cute pics. I've covered my shoulders with my scarf because I felt like my dress was a bit too booby and I don't want to be disrespectful. It does cover my legs, but it's just a bit too much shoulder. So yeah, let's go create some magic.
Together I could never get enough of you, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the tea ceremony. We're about to have some tea. If I've ever mentioned this before, but I don't drink tea. It's not bad, it's better than like English teas, hate that, but this...
1773. Thank you so much. It was just like...
Cheers.
Donuts?
Yeah. And this is small donut also, but this is very strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like very sweet?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is sesame bread.
Sesame bread.
And this is rice bread with cardamom.
Abraham,
Rice bread
what's
with
up?
caramel.
This is another rice bread.
And that's another rice bread.
But the shape is different.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try the big rice cake. These are the rock donuts. I'm gonna give these a try. Oh, no. Oh. Just tastes like garlic bread. Okay, so we have now officially finished the tea ceremony. It was really good. I very much enjoyed it and I would highly recommend it, especially if you want to have a taste of like traditional Zanzibarian culture and things that they do here together. Okay, so it's Zed's last day in Zanzibar. So we're about to head out for some drinks and some foods and a hookah, as the Americans call it. Okay, so we're on a boat now, as you can see. We're going to this restaurant right here. Wait, is it a boat or a restaurant? Wait, where are we going?
We're going right here.
We're going here?
Yeah.
Said wanting to go to this floating restaurant thing. So this gentleman, hi, is kindly taking us to the restaurant. I was very nervous. Very nervous. We've had some crazy, there's some crazy boat experiences, but all for said, all for said, and he's leaving dinner. So it's basically like a floating restaurant slash bar. This is the vibe and aesthetic. So they have life jackets just in case. Okay, so dinner has arrived. I have octopus and chips. John has fish and chips, and Sid has fish and chips also. Good morning, guys. So I just did a workout and I'm waiting for John. He's somewhere behind me and we're gonna head over to get breakfast. As you can see, I have completely changed location. So I'm down in Nungwi now. We left Stone Town last night and drove down so that we could be close to the beach for our last 2 days. So tomorrow we fly to Kilimanjaro for 2 full days before I completely leave Tanzania. So that should be really fun. I'm really excited, but I think that's going to be a separate vlog in completeness. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I think it's going to be a completely separate vlog. So I think today we're going to rest, chill, but I am going to take you with me because we're heading, well, if this weather permits, we are going to see the turtles today in like a sanctuary where you can swim with them, rather than going to see because we went to see the ones in the zoo on the first day. I think that's the footage that I lost, and I didn't like it at all. Whereas this time we're going to go see them in their natural environment. It's more like a cenote. But anyway, let's head to breakfast and see where this day takes us. With the turtles. I'm not gonna lie, at first it was a little bit scary because they beat, but the man has assured me that they are vegetarian, so they're not gonna eat me, but there are a lot of them. But if you just kind of relax and just kind of direct them with your hands, it becomes a lot easier. Yeah, this was really fun. I would highly recommend, and it also doesn't feel so intrusive like the zoo did. Okay, so I'm gonna round up the vlog here because we are heading to Kilimanjaro in about an hour. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like and subscribe. Make sure you tune in for the next one.
If I could, I'd change your world, make you